If there's one dish that represents the heart of a Korean home kitchen, it's Doenjang Jjigae. This rich, bubbling soybean paste stew is the kind of meal that Koreans grow up eating every single day, and once you try it, you'll completely understand why. To make this comforting stew, you'll need doenjang, that's Korean fermented soybean paste, firm tofu, zucchini, mushrooms, onion, garlic, and a green chili pepper for a little kick. The secret base is a simple anchovy or kelp stock, which gives the whole stew a deep, savory foundation. You can also add a small spoonful of gochujang if you like a little heat, and we'll finish everything off with sesame oil and fresh green onions. Start by making your stock. Simmer dried anchovies and a piece of dried kelp in about 3 cups of water for 10 minutes, then strain out the solids. Pour that beautiful golden stock into your pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Now, add the doenjang paste directly into the boiling stock, use about 3 tablespoons, and stir it well until it fully dissolves. This is the soul of the dish, so don't rush it. Next, stir in your minced garlic and the optional gochujang, and let that base bubble away for about 2 minutes so all those deep fermented flavors can bloom. Add your chopped onion and zucchini slices next, and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to turn tender. Now, very gently, nestle in your cubed tofu and the sliced mushrooms. Try not to stir too aggressively here, you want those tofu cubes to stay intact and soak up all that incredible broth. Drop in your sliced green chili and let everything simmer together for another 4 to 5 minutes. The stew should be deeply fragrant and a rich, earthy brown color by now. Turn off the heat, drizzle in a little sesame oil, and scatter your chopped green onions on top. Serve it hot, straight from the pot, alongside a bowl of freshly steamed white rice. Doenjang Jjigae is proof that the simplest ingredients can create the most incredible flavors. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out, and don't forget to subscribe for a new Korean recipe every week.